We're on page 200. All right, let's read. Darius braids his daughter's hair into 4 long braids and 2 short braids. He uses 9 green beads in each long braid. He uses 3 yellow beads in each short braid. Write an equation to represent the number of green beads Darius uses, labeled G. Then write an equation to represent the total number of beads Darius uses, T for total. Show your work. Okay, so he has 4 long and 2 short. So draw 4 long rectangles. And then I'm going to make short ones. How many elastics does he put in the long braids? 9. So he put a 9 in all the long. And how many does he put in the short? 3. All right. The question is saying write an equation. It wants me to write an equation. So whatever the amount of boxes is, I know is 4x. Because any number next to the x that we were doing before this lesson, we always knew that's how many boxes we draw out. And then whatever's inside is the number I put in next. And that equals G. 4 times 9 equals G. So then, if I know that, I'm going to take the answer of G. Well, it's not asking me for the answer. It's asking me for an equation. Equation is all it cares about. I take G, and then I'm going to add the next information, which is 2x, because there's 2 boxes. Then I put the number inside the box next. Okay. So then I do 2 times 3, and I put parentheses around it so that we don't lose track of what it is. And I say that this number, so 36 times 2 times 3, which is 6, would be 40, but it doesn't want 40. It wants me to label it as T for total. Okay, let's go to 8. Miguel has 28 markers. Help me read. His sister has 33 markers. They buy 3 more boxes of markers. Each box has 8 markers. Write an equation to represent the total number of markers Miguel and his sister have. Show your work. So Miguel has 28 markers. I'm going to write 28. Then I'm going to add together how many his sister has, which is how many? 33. I'm going to put those in parentheses so I keep them together, bundle them together. They buy 3 more boxes. The word more means I do addition, but it's 3 boxes, and how many is going to be in every box of markers? 8. Put parentheses on that so I don't lose track of that. And all of that equals, because we're only writing an equation to represent the total number of markers, so equals markers. Okay, let's draw a model. Let's do Miguel's box of markers first, and he has 28 in it. Then I add together 33, which is his sister's box. Then I'm going to add 1 new box, 2 new boxes, 3 new boxes, and that equals the total amount of markers. That works too. Let's go to number 9. Mr. Meyer buys tickets to a fiddle concert. She buys 2 adult tickets for $8. Let's write that in. 2 adult times 8. Put them in parentheses so you don't lose track of it. 3 children's tickets. So in addition, I'm going to do an addition symbol. In addition, she buys 3 children tickets that cost $5. Put it in parentheses. Okay. Then she's going to take all of that and subtract her coupon of $2 to get the total amount she pays for tickets. Let's label that as the letter T. All right. Let's draw that one out, should we? 2 tickets that cost $8. And I'm going to make the little kids ones a different color. She buys 3 for little kids that are $5 each. Okay? And then underneath here, I'm going to say that she's going to subtract her coupon. And then that would give me my answer. So I don't know what my answer is. I have to solve it. So I'm just going to put a question mark under there. I ran out of space. So let's solve it for fun. 2 times 8 is 16. Plus 3 times 5 is 15. That's 31. Minus $2. T would equal $29 to go to a fiddle concert.